Hi, Laviva.
Hey, Mahadi.
How was your day?
It was busy, but good.
Let's walk around the park.
Great idea.
The weather is lovely.
Yes, it is.
Look at the children playing.
They look happy.
I like spending time here.
Me too.
It helps me relax.
Same here.
What a beautiful morning.
Hi.
Hello.
Where are you going?
I am going to the office.
Are you busy today?
Yes, we have a meeting.
Good luck.
Thank you.
The road looks busy today.
Yes, many people are going to work.
I have to leave now.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me. Is this the bus stop for City Bus?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
I am going downtown.
I am going there too.
How long will we wait?
Maybe 10 minutes.
That's fine.
Do you travel every day?
Yes, I do.
Here comes the bus.
Great.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I have a flight to London.
May I see your passport and ticket? Sure. Here they are.
Thank you.
What time is the flight?
The flight departs at 10:30 a.m.
Which gate should I go to?
Gate 12.
How can I get there?
Go straight and take the escalator to the second floor. Thank you. You're welcome.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is on time.
Great.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay.
Your luggage is within the limit.
That's good.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.